Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm here to do a simple hair tutorial. Since last time y'all saw me, I have gotten my hair cut, and my hair has grown out probably about a good bit. So I'm just combing my hair through a little bit with this comb. I don't hardly have hair, but if you can tell, it has grown a little bit. So we're just gonna just go on and that feels good. Just get certain spots wet. Okay, I'm gonna wipe that water off. Anything, anything. I have already washed my hair. If I wash my hair, I do wash with shampoo, or I will wash with. And I am trying to think if I want to use this today or use control paste. Let's see what we're going to use. I think we're going to use the As I Am Curly Gel jelly, and it posted the definer. It's called a definer, so yeah, so that's what we're going to use. And I end up co-washing my hair with the As I Am product. My hair does very well with the As I Am product. So this will be my first time ever using it in probably about a year. So it's very, if you can see that, very liquidy. Don't want it to get hard or anything, so we're just gonna do that. And we're gonna put a little bit on the edges as well, so we're gonna. So that's all it's gonna take, and so what we're gonna do now is we're going to actually brush the sides, and we're gonna brush the sides and the back. So yeah. There you go. So yeah, this would last me a good 3 days, or if I do just use a refreshener and just to refreshen it, I can make it last a week. So yeah, but yeah, that is it. when you get your hair cut this short, you don't have much to do. So, yeah, if you love seeing me do my short haircut routine now, so just thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.